Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing the donut backpack. So I bought the large macaroon, donut macaroon backpack from their official site, and I got it about 6 days later. So first, looking at this, I was definitely disappointed. This is how the package came. It was cut open. You can feel the fabric already. I paid, well, on the site it's $95. I paid $85, but like for that much money, I was disappointed with this. But anyways, we will go ahead and unbox. I'm excited. Let's see. Okay. So after the white packaging, it says my life cannot last forever, but your dream can. Okay. So what I'm trying to use this bag for is for traveling, because I'm going to be going to Philadelphia and I wanted a backpack with it. So first impressions, this is how it looks like. I got the all black. Okay, we will start from the beginning. So it has the front pocket, which has clasps. And then just a regular pocket. So it's clasped, that's back. It has the donut sign on it. And then let's unzip it and see how it is. Wow. Okay. Looking inside the backpack, you can see it's not a bad amount of space. It looks surprisingly like more roomy inside than it does outside. And I'm gonna make a new video of me trying to pack as much as I can in it. So hopefully I can pack all my travel essentials in this backpack. So it has this front pocket. You saw inside. Then they have like this pocket, this like non-zip pocket, pretty roomy. This other pocket where you could probably put your phone or something, and then this zipper pocket. And then inside, you can see there's the laptop, the laptop sleeve where you can put your laptop, and a zipper behind it. We'll just leave that there. And then on the back, there's a zipper where you can put like a Kindle or anything flat. Wow, it extends all the way to the other side. That's crazy. I can feel my hand over here. It's pretty spacious, honestly. So hopefully this meets my travel needs. But first impressions, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. Okay, so let's do a more in-depth review and take a closer look at the pockets of the bag. So they have these two clasps, and let me turn this bag around. we could see inside of the front pocket. Pretty roomy. You can, like, I wouldn't suggest putting your wallet there or anything because there's no zipper, it's just clasp. But you can put like hand sanitizer, food, things that, you know, you can replace easily if in case it gets stolen. So we can clasp these back. And let's open up the main flap. So there's this zipper pocket, which is a good size. You can put like pencils, you know, accessories, your makeup, jewelry, that type stuff. And then we have the sticky, I forgot what that's called, part. And look, it's a pretty good size. So you can put whatever, you know, whatever you can think of that can fit, you can fit it in there. And then this looks like where you can put your phone or something. I really like that they have like these donut signs on it, on the inner lining. I think it's so cool, it's so cute. So what I forgot to mention were these two side pockets on the inside and the ones on the outside where you can put water bottles, or like an umbrella or anything like that. So those are cool added stuff that you can bring with you or use to your imagination what to put in. And then let's look on the inside. So that's how deep it goes. So not bad. Not bad. Pretty wide, pretty deep. I know it's like used for a school backpack, but I'm hoping that, you know, since it's large, I can fit everything that I need in here. And I'm also trying to use it as a personal item because I'm riding Frontier. So fingers crossed that I don't have to use it as a carry-on. So here's the other zipper. And it's pretty roomy. Probably kind of like the non-zipper and the flap. And this is like probably this size. And then here's the laptop case. I mean, the laptop thing that you put your laptop in. Wow. Which goes all the way to the bottom. And then the last one, the one on the back, can't forget that one. Let's see. You can see it goes real deep, all the way to the end, right there. So I know I'll be putting like my Kindle and stuff in there, maybe my phone. Since it's closest to my back, I'm hoping that no one would steal from it, but we'll see. So yeah, here are the straps. Let's see how it's attached. I'm hoping that this will stay. This is like sewed on real good, I think. So I'm hoping it will stay. So that is the end of my video. Well, that's the end of this. I'm gonna do a water test and we'll see. Don't mind my ashy feet. So where should I put it? Where should I put the water? I guess I'll put it right here. Wow. Yeah, pretty water resistant. It just like rolled off. Pretty good. I give that an A+. All right, so after doing an in-depth review, just looking inside, looking at all the pockets and everything, my view on this backpack has changed. I am growing to love it. I am appreciating it more. I can see myself using the pockets and everything to help keep me organized and stuff. I especially am going to be using this back pocket. I think this was a smart decision to make, to put this in the back, in the large fedora, the large macaroon. So in the end, would I recommend this product? Yes, I would recommend this product. It's nice. It seems pretty good, like a good backpack. It's really nice. I am enjoying the black color. I love how the label looks. It looks nice. It looks sleek. I love the little leather accents and everything. It's a pretty backpack. So I would recommend it. Would I recommend someone pay full price for it? No. I don't see this as being a $95 backpack. I don't think it's like that level, but if you can find a good sale, or I know I've seen like on the site where you buy 2 backpacks, so you or a friend, you or your sibling can both buy a backpack on sale. That's what I would recommend. But overall, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this an 8. Because I do like it. I really do like it. And I hope that on my trip to Philly, that I enjoy it just as much as I enjoyed exploring it. So yeah, feel free to comment any questions. Of course, I'll answer it. Let me know if there's any other videos that you want me to do on different backpacks and stuff. So like I said, I'm going to be making another video of me packing everything for my trip. It's going to be a 5-day trip, so hopefully I can fit it all in this book bag. Fingers crossed. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day and subscribe.